is hook this up into my charging port here. And I'm going to play some music. We're going to see how this goes. No static, nothing. Nice and clear, crisp. And then, oh, it gets better, it gets better. Hey Siri. Wake her up. Hey Siri. Play Ronald Isley, I Need You. So you can even talk to Siri and control Siri right through your speakers, through the Gadget Guy. So, as you see, guys, real-time review, happy with the product. Again, if you do not have an older car with those auxiliaries in there already or Bluetooth, and you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your radio, this gadget is an ultimate alternative. It costs $90. Yes, it's more than what you see on the market for the $20 and $30. But guess what? I don't mind paying a little bit of more money. I don't mind paying $90 to actually hear my music clearly. That's why it costs more than the things on the market, because as we know, things on the market in this caliber, all you hear is static in the mix of music, and this is not the case. So you get what you pay for, guys. Thanks.